Alright, so in this AI Content Sniper Review and Bonuses video, I'm going to talk to you about a software that claims to be the next-gen AI certificate plugin that's going to hijack your content and turn it into a cash machine. Now, if you're not following me on YouTube, my name is Kurt Tashi. I am product reviews and reviews of other products as well. I also do entrepreneurship, motivation, and personal development videos. So if that's something you're into, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you find this video helpful, do me a favor, give it a like and a share. And also do me a favor, leave a comment down below and let me know what products you would like me to review on this channel in the future, okay? So let's get back into it. So today we're going to talk about the AI Content Sniper plugin. And this comes from Anthony Rousek and Mark Wightley. And it says here they discovered it by accident, that it's engineered by AI, next-gen AI set and forget plugin that hijacked our content and turned it into a cash machine. Now, down below you're going to have a link to my bonus page, which is going to actually have a link to this sales page on it, so you can actually watch this video and go through the sales page yourself. I'm just going to go and go through really quick. So, right there it says you're going to get the whole thing for $17.97. You're going to get the plugin. You're going to get the 5 fast action bonuses, and you're also going to get a full memories area with training as well. So you're not just getting the plugin. You're going to get the plugin, the bonuses. You're going to get my bonuses additional to this, and you're also going to get full training as well. Okay. And here you got a couple of testimonials here. And here Mark and Anthony talking about how this all came about. Of course, you get your bonuses here, and they get some screenshots of rankings, etc., some traffic proof. And then here, now income proof, whenever I'm looking at picking up a product, okay, I never go by the income proof on the sales page because number one, it can be faked, okay? So that's one thing to think about. But even if it's legitimate proof, okay, it doesn't tell me if I'm going to get those results. All it's telling me is that the person that's selling the product got the results. And we don't know if they got the results from the product or from something else. Again, not saying if it's legitimate proof or not, because there are a lot of marketers out there who do give legitimate proof of their income using the product that they're selling, okay? But that being said, it doesn't do me any good because I'm not them. I need to know a couple of things. I want to know, has anybody else used it? Okay. I kind of want to know if they're getting results or not. It doesn't really matter though. But I want to know, can I get results by using the product, by following the training and following the instructions? Can I get results through my own efforts? What they say on the sales page isn't going to tell me that. What's going to tell me that is if and when I use the product and follow the instructions and the training will I get results. Because remember, your results are going to be the result of your efforts, okay? So that's enough with that. Let's get back to the sales page. And again, we're going to proof here. That doesn't matter. Gives you an idea. Here's what you get comes with it. Again, test with the bonuses, and this is some of the key features: one-click blog writer, headline generator, paragraph writer, a blog outline builder, Pixabay and OpenAI image integration, bulk post creator, blog templates. Now, what's cool about this here, I'm going to write this here, is that you can actually use royalty-free images from Pixabay or get unique images generated by AI. Okay, that's pretty cool. Gives your blog templates here. Bulk post creator, blog templates, Elementor content generator. You can choose between ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude for your content. And you can write unlimited blog posts. And who's it for? It's for bloggers, affiliate marketers, web designers, digital agencies, niche site builders, beginners, anybody who needs content. Okay? And it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's got some FAQ questions down here for you. Get your questions. And $17.97. Okay. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and log into the members area, and we're gonna go into a walkthrough, and then we're gonna talk about the OTLs. Okay. Now, I'm gonna log into my account. And I use RoboForm for all my passwords and logins. I highly recommend it. It saves me so much time. Now, here, once you go into the members area, you're going to come to the overview. And Anthony is going to walk you through the whole members area in this video and introduce you to the concept and to the plugin, all that. And he does a great job of walking you through. Then you have these 3 steps. Step 1, you're going to join their Facebook group, okay? So you can get extra help and training and kind of do maybe some brainstorming with other members. They have an exclusive training you can register for here, and then here you can go to the core training. Now, if you have not picked up any of the OTOs, which we're going to talk about here in a minute, you can actually go up here to the top and click the upgrades. Now, if you picked up the product bump for $9.95, that's for the case study, and you can access that right here, okay? So it's $17.97 for the front-end product, $9.95 for the bump if you want it, and then the OTOs are on top of that. Now, what's really cool about this is that for $17.97, you get to put this on unlimited blogs. A lot of vendors who put out WordPress plugins, they give you limited usage on the front end, which means you'll get like 1 blog, 2, 3, 5, maybe 10 at the most, whatever. If you want more blog usage, you get an upgrade, or to get unlimited, you get an upgrade. With what Anthony and Mark have done is they've actually allowed you to get unlimited usage of your blogs for $17.97. It's unlimited blogs. Now, let's go ahead and go to the OTOs, and we'll talk about those. And then, once you go through that, I'm going to talk to you see a little secret about how you can get everything at a discount. Okay? So first, let's go to the OTOs. Let's go to OTO 1. Okay, again, this is, of course, this is the front end product right here. Again, $17.97 for this, $9.95 for the bump, if you want to get it. OTO 1, okay? Let's scroll down. This is the AI Content Accelerator. So automatically generates unlimited SEO-based content ideas for your niche. Advanced SEO internal linking, speed up your SEO and rankings, unlimited income potential, over-the-shoulder training, instantly create blog posts or pages with the AI Content Accelerator, etc., etc. Automatically imports images and videos directly into your content from Pixabay and Pexels. And then you get their exact strategy that they're learning, that they're using to earn thousands per day as affiliates. Okay. And if you go through, when you go through, you can actually read through this and watch Mark's video. And you're going to get this for $47. Okay. Next, you're going to get the next OTO, OTO 2, is the SEO Profit Engine. Now, what this is extremely powerful, but there's a way to. It says here, the system, the AI Content Sniper, is extremely powerful, but there's a way to increase your profits by another 300%. Okay, this product, what this upgrade does, is it basically gives you an AI SEO agent that's going to tell you exactly what you need to do to your content, to your pages, to get them to rank better. So basically, this helps you get better on-page SEO to get better rankings. Okay, and this is during launch phase. It's $29.97 per month. That's going to go up to $97 a month after the launch. Okay. Next OTO is the Link Dominator Mastery. Now, what this is, okay, this, as the previous OTO was about on-page optimization, this is about off-page. This AI will actually go out and spy on your competitors and reverse engineer what they're doing to help you, to try to tell you where they're linking from, etc., and how they use that to get rankings. So you can actually reverse engineer, you can actually utilize what they're doing and outrank your competition. Okay. And this is available. Of course, you got some extra bonuses here as well. And this is a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is fantastic. And this is going to be $97 one-time fee, one-time price. So next, we have the 7 SEO Masters, 7 live sessions, unlimited rankings power in your hands. This is a complete SEO masterclass, or complete ranking masterclass, and you're gonna get training from all 7 of these experts here. And it's a 60-minute calls over like a 5-week training, or like a 5-week period. Okay? So 7 live coaching sessions with industry experts, get insider information, learn from Anthony's SEO team and why outsourcing helps prevent burnout, Guest speakers Kyle Roof, Ivan Mana, Rashvin, Declan Mick, and Joy Bevino. And that is a $97 one-time price. Now, getting all that, okay, that's if you go through each step by step and get the OTOs one by one. Now, if you want to get everything and not pay this full price, okay, you can get the bundle deal. And what I'm going to do is on my bonus page, there's going to be a link to the sales page to the front end product, but I'm also going to put a button on there that is going to say get the bundle deal. This way you can access that bundle, okay? And you're going to get all this for a discounted price. Now, you're going to get the AI Content Sniper for $17.97. Okay. The case study, that's $9.97 value. The AI Accelerator Niche Explorer add-on, $37. Now that was actually listed at a higher price, I think. The SEO Profit Engine, $29.97 per month. Right now, what they put it here is it kind of show you what it would be for an annual price, $359. Okay, $97 for the mastery link domination mastery, and the Sniper School Masterclass $97. Okay, I see what they did. This is a typo here. This should say $47. Okay, that should say $47. So this actually should be a $627. And now it's valued at $340. Now you're going to get it off at $347. Okay. So again, you're getting the front end, the bump, the AI Accelerator Niche Explorer. You're getting the SEO Profit Engine, the Link Domination Mastery Spying, and the 7-week Sniper School, all for $347 one time. And what you can do is go ahead down below in the description. You got to go to my bonus page. You have the choice of either going through and just picking out, just getting the front end product and the bump or whatever, or just go in that and pick out whatever OTOs you want to get, or you can get the entire package, not pay any monthly fees or annual fees ever, all for $347. This is the complete package for content creation and ranking right here. Okay, $347. Okay, so with that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed my AI Content Sniper review and bonuses video. If you found this helpful, again, please do me a favor, give me a like, give us a share, and comment. Let me know if there's any other products you want me to review on this channel, and let me know. I'll do that in the future, okay? With that, guys, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click down below, check out the bonuses, and with that, we'll see you in the next video. Have a fantastic day.